What's going on, guys? It's Investing Hustler here, and today I'm going to talk about how for the first time ever my investment account, my investing portfolio is officially worth over $100,000. Before I get started, I want to give a shout out to Trollface, because like I said, I'm going to start shouting out the first person to comment on my videos. So shout out to you, Trollface, for being the first one to comment on my last video. So when I started off 2018, I originally had $43,000 in my investment portfolio, and my goal was to reach $100,000 by the end of this year, and my goal has finally been completed. And I demonstrated and I took you guys through every single step it got me to building this portfolio. So I wanted to share this with you guys because you guys have seen me and my channel grow. You guys have seen me grow as an investor. So in a way, we have grown together as a community. So I want to thank you guys. Also, don't forget that I promised you guys that I would show you my marijuana portfolio, and there was one condition. It would be that this video right here, click the link above, would reach 100 likes. I have 86 likes now. I need 14 more likes and I'll show you guys my marijuana portfolios. So a lot of you are probably wondering how my portfolio grew to 100,000 and how did it increase by 57,000 in around 8 months. Well, not all of it was from swing trading. A lot of it was just from making and saving as much money as I possibly can. I always did say there's no point in making money if you're just gonna spend it and waste it all. So I made a lot of money from reselling all my products like iPhones, Samsungs, Nintendos, video games, and even crap. So all that money I would make, I would save as much as possible and I would just throw it into my portfolio, and I would just invest that money in the stock market. On top of that, I'm a landlord, so I've been collecting rent, which pretty much covers all my expenses, and whatever profit I would make from my house, I would just save as much as I can. So pretty much all the money that I've been making, I've been doing what I like to call the snowball effect. So I would just keep reinvesting it into the stock market, into my products to sell more stuff, and my money just kept growing and kept growing, and my snowball kept growing, kept growing. So the moment I would make some money, I would just throw it back into my portfolio, or I would just buy some more products to sell. It was just a never-ending cycle. So my snowball just continued to get bigger every day, every week, every month. And I showed you guys pretty much every step that I took from the beginning of this year. Every video I'd release, every swing trade I posted, it's all real, it's all profit, it's all money that I've been saving and making. And the reason why I'm showing you guys is pretty much just to prove to everyone that anyone can do this. I wasn't given an advantage over anyone. My family, they were immigrants that came from South America, so I pretty much grew up poor. The only thing I had was commitment, and I was always determined to do better. Nothing ever happens overnight. All it takes is dedication and the right mindset. I actually made a video called The Mindset of a Millionaire. You could click the link above. I have a lot of great tips that can get anyone started on the right path. The thing is, you just have to want it so bad, and you have to be willing to do anything that it takes to get wherever you want to be. So whatever that goal is, you just have to take it one day at a time, and you cannot give up. Now that I completed my goal, it doesn't mean that I'm just gonna sit back and relax and enjoy the rest of my life. No, it means that now I just have to set the bar a little higher. Now I have to make new goals, and now I have to have a new game plan. It's a new journey. So this was my first journey to 100K. So now it's time to set new goals and start another journey, and I hope you guys can join me. Also, let's not forget, a lot of my money was put into the marijuana stocks. So at any given point, this 100K could turn to 90K tomorrow, could turn to 80K, which is the exact reason why I decided to collect some profits. I sold over 20K worth of my shares, and I'm just gonna have my fingers crossed that the marijuana industry drops again so I could buy back all the shares that I've sold. So I wish everyone a lot of success in their own journeys and their own battles that they have to go through. Everyone has to go down their own path, so don't ever compare your path to someone else's. You are responsible for your own life and the decisions you make in it, so every day try to be a little better than the person you were yesterday. Just take it one day at a time, and like I said, nothing ever happens overnight. Well, except the marijuana stocks just blowing up. Well, that's all the time I have for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a like, and if you're not subscribed yet, then smash that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.